How to use Temu without inviting friends. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Temu without inviting your friends. So first of all, just open the Temu application in your smartphone, and after that all you have to do is just click on your profile icon mentioned as you at the bottom, and after that just go to the setting from the top right corner, and here just click on country and region and make sure that your region is selected as USA. Mine is already on USA, as you can see right here. And after that just come back on your profile again, and here just click on earn credits and free gifts. Just click on it, and here you will see all these options to earn credit and free gifts on Temu. So you can select any of the gifts that you would like to win on or would like to have on Temu. So I'm just gonna select on the first one. Now you will see there are items that you can select for free, basically $0. So you can claim them just selecting them. So for example, I'm selecting this particular mirror right here. Just click on pick, and as you can see that it is giving me free, and you have to select another item. I'm selecting these shoes with the size, and just like that you just select all the gifts right here. Now once you are done, you have to go ahead and enter your address, and once you'll enter your address, so it will ask you to invite friends in order to get you the free points as replacement of the friends that you will invite on Temu. So rather than inviting your friends on Temu, all you can do is just invite your family members who are not using Temu. So in that case you can easily skip while not inviting your friends on Temu and also redeem the free points. So this is basically how you can use Temu without inviting friends. I hope you find this video to be informative.
So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.